Hi beautiful ones, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. I'm Nizzy Beauty. I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, entertainment, and do it yourself. So if that interests you, oh please kindly click the subscribe button down there, comment, like and share. For returning subscribers, you're highly welcome. And I don't think this was content. Yeah, welcome. Today is all about how to contour highlight the face with a powder palette. I know most of you find it difficult to highlight with liquid foundation or even the stick foundation. Now, here in this video, I have simplified the easiest method to contour and highlight with your powder. So guys, keep calm and watch the video to the end. You're so gonna enjoy it. Thank you.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes,